In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change country and region on Windows 10 and 11. To begin, what we're simply going to do is, as you can see right here, we're on our Windows homepage. What we want to do is head over to the left side on the window, on our Windows, screen, where we find the Start button. Press on that, and right on top of it, you find the Power and Settings. Press on Settings. From there, once we're in the Settings tab, we simply want to go to the search bar, or if you don't want to write it down, we can simply head to Time and Language. From there, press on that. Now the date and time is right here. From here, you can choose Set Time Automatically, set the date and time manually, synchronize your clock. So let's sync this right now because I believe the clock is wrong. And it isn't. So from there, you can choose your time zone depending on where you live. Kuwait, Moscow, Nairobi, anywhere really. Alongside that, we can go to region, where we will find the region. So this is my region. For the regional format, I can choose the country, so Windows format states times based on your language and regional preferences. So generally, the language you want your Windows stuff to be in here, but the country or region you're in here. After that, you can go to language, and here you can choose any language you want. My Windows is single language, and I only have English United States. So you can add a language, but I believe it won't be for Windows display language. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.